Welcome again. In this journey of exploring the intricate world of the immune system, we have come across many important components which fight at front foot in the battlefield of immune system and protect the body as brave warriors. And one of these brave warriors are the T lymphocytes that are simply called T cells. And we have made a series of videos on this very important component of adaptive immune system, where we have discussed almost all aspects related to T cells, such as we have discussed its development within the thymus under the title T lymphocyte development. Then we have talked about T cell receptors, which are one of the most important adornments of T cells, under the title T cell receptors. Other than that, we have discussed other additional molecules that grace the surface of T lymphocytes and give them intelligence to perform their role efficiently, under the title T cell antigens. So, there is a large video collection for you at one and only sqadia.com. So, you can watch those videos to get some basic knowledge before starting this video. Here in this video, we will move to the next step, and we will talk about another very important concept related to T lymphocytes, that is, T cell activation. Well, T cell activation is a complex process that initiates immune responses against pathogens and abnormal cells that can be infected or tumorous cells. It involves several key steps, such as, if we consider just pathogens here, then first of all, antigen-presenting cells or APCs capture and process antigens, and then present them on their surface through major histocompatibility complex or MHC molecules. Then the T cells that are equipped with T cell receptors or TCRs recognize specific antigen MHC complexes. TCRs alone may not be enough, so now co-stimulation occurs. And it occurs through interactions between co-stimulatory molecules on T cells and APCs. This co-stimulation then activates the signal transduction pathways within T cells, leading to gene activation and production of cytokines. This results in T cell expansion, generating a diverse population of effector T cells. These effector cells then undergo differentiation as well, such as particular subsets of T cells, like CD4 plus T helper cells differentiate into further subsets such as Th1, Th2, etc., each with specialized functions. And CD8 plus cytotoxic T cells develop cytotoxic capabilities to directly kill infected or abnormal cells. These activated T cells then migrate to infection sites, exerting their effector functions to eliminate pathogens and restore immune homeostasis. So, this was the overview of T cell activation, or you can say the summary of the entire process. And for better understanding, we break down this detailed process into a series of events or steps, so that we can easily understand them. So, all in all, we can say T cell activation is a coordinated process essential for an effective immune response against harmful pathogens and abnormal cells in the body. As we want to learn the depth of all these steps, so, without wasting any time, let's dive in. The process of T cell activation typically occurs in secondary lymphoid organs, such as lymph nodes, where T cells interact with antigen-presenting cells, or APCs, like dendritic cells. Here we will discuss the detailed description of the steps involved in T cell activation.
Welcome to sqadia.com, your one-stop destination for medical online learning. Dive into our extensive catalog of in-depth animated videos, meticulously tailored for students, residents, and even practicing healthcare professionals. With over 40 medical courses available, covering topics from the fundamental anatomy to the complex endocrinology and everything in between. Explore various teaching styles. Engage with our immersive videos, purposefully designed to make learning not only incredibly enjoyable but exceptionally effective. To get started on your path to excellence, take advantage of our exclusive free trial and gain immediate access to a wealth of educational resources. sqadia.com. Your journey to exceptional medical education begins here.